Hey guys, it's Code Zealot, and I'm back with another video, this time showcasing a data pack that I'm currently working on for Minecraft 1.14 and up, called RPG Skills. What this data pack does is it adds various RPG style skills to your vanilla Minecraft world, and it is also multiplayer compatible. So this will work on servers or on realms, however you guys like to host your multiplayer worlds. So let's go ahead and jump into some of these features that are currently done, and also talk about what's coming up next in this data pack. Alright guys, so I have the data pack enabled on my world here, and I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting down some of these trees to show you guys how the woodcutting skill works. Now, as you can see, as I chop down these logs, I'm gaining experience points. And right now I just have that +1 there, sort of like a placeholder, because I haven't set all the values yet for how much experience you're going to get for all of these skills yet. That's something I'm working on right now. But pretty much this will notify you on how much XP you're getting as you are earning it in the world. And that way, if you're doing an action and you're unaware that you're earning XP, you will know about it. Now, I'm also going to try and make this a toggle feature, so that way, if this is annoying, you don't like all these notifications, then you can turn this off with a click of a button, and it'll deactivate it for the entire server. So that's a feature I'm planning on implementing. So as you can see, I've been getting some woodcutting experience points. And once I get enough experience points to go up a level, I will get a notification that that has happened, and it will tell me what level I am now, and it'll make a little noise, which I'm currently working on adding. So I won't bore you guys by cutting down all of these logs, so I'll go ahead and show you guys how much XP I have with a custom command for this data pack, which is trigger skills. Now, if we go ahead and look at this, you can see all the different skills that are currently in the data pack that I'm working on getting XP set up for. And if we look over here to woodcutting, you can see that I'm level 1 and that I have earned 26 experience points out of 100. Now, while we're here on this screen, I want to go ahead and mention that this data pack is going to be very customizable, and one of the things that you guys will be able to change is the required base XP. So when you first load this data pack in your world, it's going to go ahead and set it up with a base XP requirement of 100. What that means is when you start at level 1, in order to get to level 2, by default you have to get 100 experience points. Now, I'm setting this up so you guys can actually set whatever value that you want for the base XP. And what this does is it pretty much allows you guys to control level scaling in your own RPG environment. So this is going to be really cool. I hope you guys love this feature, because pretty much what you'll be able to do is make a very easy level scaling system where you only have to get a small amount of experience points to go up in the beginning, and it will gradually get harder. Or you can make it hard from the very beginning and see if players can really get enough gameplay time and do enough grinding in the game to get enough experience points, like some of those other RPG games that are out there that are way too difficult. So that'll be entirely up to you guys, because you can set that value. Now, another thing to mention as we're talking about being able to change the math behind the data pack is this actually has a set scale. So every time you level up, there is a set required percentage of experience points that are increased each level. And you guys will also be able to alter that value as well. So here you go. Let's go ahead and change this so we can see what it looks like when we level up. So I'll do it manually here with commands. I'm going to go ahead and type out what I need to, which is scoreboard. Players set. We're going to set ourselves, let's see, CZ, woodcutting, and I need to, actually go back and do wcut XP. And now I'm going to go ahead and set it to 99, and that will put us just one away from leveling up. And so if we go ahead and chop down just one more log, we've now leveled up to level 2. So there you go. This is what it looks like when you level up in this data pack. And if you want to check your skill, you could click this and it shows a refreshed list here over in the chat system. Now, this will also be included in an enchanted book in your inventory, and so that way you could check all of this without having to worry about, people typing in here and it getting in the way. So that'll also be another feature coming soon. So that's how woodcutting works. Let's go ahead now and use our stone sword, and we'll run over here to these wild animals and go ahead and start hunting. And as we're going to be hunting, we're going to be using our sword, which is going to give us some swordsmanship XP. Now, it works pretty much the same way as you expect any other RPG. As you use the sword, you get more experience with it, and you level up by getting better and better with that weapon. And we also have axe combat, which is also enabled in this data pack. So that's a combat feature, and this is an offensive skill. So as we're using our sword offensively, we are getting experience points for offense. But what if we want to see some defense? So I have in my inventory here some light armor. So if I go ahead and equip this, and then we can go ahead and just summon some husk. They'll make a good example here. Get a couple of them. And as you see, I am getting some light armor experience points as I'm using this armor to defend myself from the husk. So there is light armor, medium armor, and heavy armor, and all of those will give you special perks and benefits related to how heavy they are, and etc, etc. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. It's just a showcase to show you guys that the RPG server and this data pack, which is a part of the massive RPG data pack that I am working on, will be coming out. It has not been forgotten. I have a team, a small team of devs currently working with me on the RPG server. So if you guys are interested in the progress of that, please be sure to join the Discord down below in the description, because we talk about it all the time, and we're always looking for suggestions for what you would like to see in that server and in the RPG world that we're creating. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet subbed, please do, and I'll see you guys in the next video.